Testimony will continue tomorrow in the corruption trial of lawyer Martin Yavorcik. And some wonder how the interaction between the defendant and Mahoning County's longtime prosecutor will impact jury deliberations. Well, there were plenty of sparks between the two men who at one point were competing for the same position. Here's 27 First News reporter Jerry Ricciuti in Cleveland.
There was tension from the beginning.
Okay, would you answer my question?
I just did.
Mahoning County prosecutor Paul Gaines testified why he turned to the Ohio Ethics Commission in October 2007 concerning efforts to stop the county from buying the old Southside Hospital, including then Commissioner John McNally's sending confidential information to lawyers for the Cafaro Company.
The reason that those letters are confidential is because we don't want to end up in a bidding war, and we don't want this other bidder to have information that he or she shouldn't have.
But as Martin Yavorcik continued cross-examining Gaines, things turned personal when it came to Yavorcik's election challenge of the incumbent in 2008.
In fact, you had told many people that you would, quote, that punk. Do you remember that?
I don't recall saying that.
It got no better when Yavorcik questioned Gaines on his decision to bring in special prosecutors from the Attorney General's office months after the Oakhill investigation first got underway.
Well, you seem to be pretty knowledgeable.
May I finish my response, please?
Yes, you may. Go ahead.
Thank you, Your Honor.
There were also jabs over Gaines's personal feelings about the Cafaros and their desire to keep Oakhill from being purchased.
Do you like Mr. Cafaro, yes or no?
Now, do I like him?
Yes.
No, I do not like him now.
Yavorcik is accused of taking bribes from the Cafaros in exchange for derailing the investigation if he could have defeated Gaines as prosecutor. But in court, Yavorcik tried to show politics had played a role in the case.
You have no opponent this time, correct?
That's correct.
And I'm under indictment, right?
Yes.
The state is expected to need another day or two to finish its case before Yavorcik can start calling his own witnesses. In Cleveland, Jerry Ricciuti, WKBN 27 First News.